धृतराष्ट्र का लड़का दुर्योधन, दुशासन.
Duryodhan and Dushasan were the sons of Dhritarashtra.
राजा ही करता था कि नहीं करता था?
Did he, that is Duryodhan, used to rule or not?
है? तो राजा जैसा था या नहीं?
Student, he did. So, was he like a king or not?
था कि नहीं?
Was he like that or not? Student, he was. He was.
ऐसे ही कंस.
In the same way, there is Kans.
राजा बनाया नहीं गया.
He wasn't made a king.
उसने भी नहीं बनाया था.
Even he didn't make him that. Baba is pointing upwards.
लेकिन क्या करता है?
However, what does he do?
यहाँ राजा ही खींच के ले लेता है.
He snatches and takes the kingship here.
कहाँ?
Where?
ब्राह्मणों की दुनिया में.
In the world of Brahmins.
बोला है
It has been said,
पांडवों को शक्तियों का गार्ड बन के रहना है, सुरक्षा गार्ड.
the Pandavas have to stay as the guard of the Shaktis, a security guard.
उनको गाइड नहीं करना है, उनके ऊपर डायरेक्टर बन के नहीं बैठना है. लेकिन बैठते हैं कि नहीं?
They don't have to guide them. They don't have to sit as their, that is the Shakti's director. However, do they do that or not?
बैठते हैं कि नहीं?
Do they or not? Students, they do.
बेसिक में भी बैठते और यहाँ एडवांस में भी डायरेक्टर बन के. डायरेक्टर सिर्फ नहीं बनते, डांट भी लगाते हैं.
They sit as the director in the basic knowledge as well as here in the advanced knowledge. They don't just become the director but also scold them.
मुंह के सामने ही कन्याओं माताओं को गालियां देते हैं.
They insult the maidens and mothers right on their face.
दूसरों के सामने ग्लानि करते हैं.
They defame them in front of others.
ऐसी है हरामजादी, वैसी है हरामजादी, उल्लू की पट्टी.
This despicable woman is like this, like that. She is a fool.
ये गार्ड बने कि गाइड किया?
Is this becoming the guard or did they guide them?
है? क्या किया?
What did they do? Student, they guided them.
गाइड किया ना.
They guided them, didn't they?
डायरेक्टर बन के बैठ गए ना.
They sat as their director, didn't they?
चलाने वाले बने ना.
They became the controller, didn't they?
कि डायरेक्शन पर चलने वाले बने.
Or did they become the ones who follow the directions?
भगवान बाप आते हैं, सब कुछ कन्याओं माताओं को सौंपते हैं.
God the Father comes and hands over everything to the maidens and mothers,
तुम चलाओ.
saying, take care of this.
दुनिया को तुम्हें संभालना है.
You have to handle the world.
सारी दुनिया के ऊपर तुमको राज्य करना है. राज करेगा खालसा.
You have to rule over the entire world. The pure one shall rule.